If Photoshop looks tiny, blurry, or hard to use on your 4K monitor, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to fix Photoshop UI scaling so the menus, icons, and text are much easier to read. We'll start with the recommended Windows method, and then I'll show you how to fine-tune Photoshop's own interface settings if you want even more control. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick software fixes and useful tutorials. Let's jump in. First, we're going to use the Windows Compatibility setting because this is often the best fix when Photoshop doesn't scale properly on a high-resolution display. Before you start, make sure Photoshop is completely closed. If it's open in the background, close it fully so the settings can apply correctly. Now, find your Photoshop shortcut. You can do this on your desktop, or you can search for Photoshop in the Start menu. Once you see the shortcut, right-click it and choose Properties. A settings window will open with several tabs across the top. Click the Compatibility tab. This section is where Windows lets you adjust how older or display-sensitive apps behave on your monitor. Here, look for the button that says Change High DPI Settings. Click that, and a new dialog box will appear. In this window, you should see an option for Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. Check that box. Once it's enabled, go to the drop-down menu underneath that says Scaling Performed By. From that menu, choose System. This tells Windows to handle the scaling in a way that usually makes Photoshop much more readable on 4K screens. After that, click OK to close the DPI settings window. Then click Apply and click OK again to save everything. At this point, the setting is locked in, but it won't take effect until you reopen the program. Now, launch Photoshop again. When it opens, check the interface. In most cases, you'll immediately notice that the menus, panels, and text are much better sized for a 4K monitor. If this fixed the problem, great, you're done with the main repair. If Photoshop is still not quite the way you want it, or if you want to fine-tune the look of the interface even more, there's a second method you can use directly inside Photoshop itself. This is especially useful if the app is readable, but you want the UI to feel more comfortable and balanced. With Photoshop open, go to the top menu and click Edit, then Preferences, then Interface. This opens the interface settings where Adobe lets you control the appearance of the workspace. Look for the UI scaling section. Depending on your version of Photoshop, you may see a scaling option or font size controls here. If available, try increasing the scaling to 200% for a 4K display. You can also adjust the UI font size to medium, large, or extra large, depending on how big you want the text to appear. If you want the icons and interface elements to match the text more closely, check the box for Scale UI to Font. This can make the whole workspace feel more consistent, especially if the text is the part that looks too small on your screen. Once you've made your changes, click OK. Photoshop will usually ask you to restart the application before the new settings fully take effect. Go ahead and restart it so you can see the updated interface size properly. Now you can compare both methods. The Windows High DPI fix is usually the best first step because it changes how the app behaves across your system, while the built-in Photoshop settings are great for fine-tuning once the base scaling is comfortable. If you were struggling with a tiny or awkward Photoshop layout on your 4K monitor, this should make a huge difference. And if you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want more Photoshop troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.